Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Select the Splash Potion of Weakness. Use your bow if you are using arrows of weakness, or lure a witch close to the zombie villager. Throw the Splash Potion, shoot the tipped arrow at the zombie villager. Or stand within 3 blocks of the witch and the zombie villager until the witch throws a Splash Potion of Weakness.
Take our lead.
To do this, a player must throw a Splash Potion of Weakness at a zombie villager and give it a golden apple by facing it and pressing the Use button. The process typically takes about 2 to 5 minutes, but can be shortened by about 4% by building a prison around it, with iron bars and/or a bed.
Take our lead.
Zombie Pigmen, along with other undead mobs, can now be damaged by Splash Potions of Healing, and can be healed by Splash Potions of Harming. A sword enchanted with Smite now does extra damage to Zombie Pigmen.
Take our lead.
Toss a Splash Potion of Weakness near the zombie villager, the right-click on him while holding a golden apple. Curing zombie villagers isn't instantly, it can took from 3 to 10 minutes IRL. Also be sure that he is in your simulation distance. 10 June 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.